to me. You said I should have seen.